Hey y'all, welcome to my channel, or welcome back. It's been a minute since I came on here and did a wig install for you, but I'm excited about this one because it's gonna be easy. I'm gonna make it easy, okay? Lately, I've just been in the spirit, the mood, whatever you wanna call it, of if it takes me longer than about 5 to 7 minutes to do when it comes to my hair, I'm just not doing it. Let's get into this new unit from Nadula. This is one of their newest launches. I'm gonna give you guys a close look in just a second. But it is a shorter bob unit, like water wave. And I have been loving short, curly, easy units on myself lately. Let's open her up. Okay, see that? See that? We just supposed to throw this on and go, okay? I don't know if that's what you're supposed to do, but that's what I'm gonna do. This is perfect. This is the perfect length. It's too hot outside right now to be wearing hair all down my back. I did that a few weeks ago and I should not have. I should have definitely had this unit on deck. So this is water wave texture. This does come as a side part, 6x4 side part water wave. Short unit, ready for summer, ready to pop on and go. They've already bleached the knots. They've already cut the lace off for you. It does come with a drawstring in the back that we all freaking love. And it also has the Invisistring right here, which I actually really like because it makes the unit a little bit more flush to your head. I gotta get going, okay? I don't have time to really talk it all out right now. So let me show you what I'm gonna do. I am going to just fluff this wig out very easily and then I'm install it. So make sure you do this with this unit. Just flip it over and, you know, shake it a little bit. I don't think people realize this, but this is like the easiest and best way to get some volume to your hair without having to do the most. All right, y'all. So I'm going to go ahead and pop this on my head real fast. I'm gonna do a little bit of hairspray. I'm gonna lay my edges just a little bit. Let me hush and let's get going before I run out of time. Y'all, this may end up being the quickest hair tutorial, talk through, voiceover, whatever you want to call it, that I have ever given you guys because this unit just calls for simplicity. Like I just showed you, you only have one option with this unit and that is to wear it as a side part. You have very minimal lace on here. This is a true pop on and go, throw on and go, whatever you want to call it. Flawless, like glueless, instant look for y'all this summer. Like we don't gotta think about it. So all I did, y'all, was just add a little bit of hairspray to the hairline because it was definitely very warm this day. So some extra hold was for sure needed. And also it's 2026. Wigs should not be slipping and falling off your head. And then I just blow dried that down. And then I'm just going in and doing some baby hair. This is obviously optional. Do as you please, okay? Do whatever you like to do. Either we are laying edges or we are not. I am choosing to. This took me, y'all, like 3 minutes to do. I didn't even pull out any black strips or anything like that. Laid my little edges and blow dried it down. That's how, like, I had no time before I had to go pick up Isaiah from school. Once I did that, I grabbed a little bit of my Mazzani foam and just like ran it through the hair. The hair is already soft, wavy, a little like, it's like a wave curl. It's actually really pretty. Once you guys see it towards the end of this video, I'm actually gonna take y'all with me just to see this unit out in the wild. And when I say out in the wild, just my everyday life, just picking up my son, working from home so that y'all see it outside, like outdoors in the daylight, and so on and so forth. So just give you guys some different looks. But as you see what I'm doing here, it's just kind of giving it a little bit of scrunch with a little bit of foam. I'm not like going in crazy with the foam. I really want this hair to keep the volume at the top that it has. I want it to keep the curls. I really didn't want to weigh this hair down. It's supposed to be just very, you know, just chic and cool and effortless. And I think I achieved that with this. Last, y'all, I went on ahead and grabbed my hot comb, did a little lift in the front, and that was basically it. And I just finished getting ready. Y'all, I have been wanting to go outside and be outside for the longest time. This winter was so long. You cannot pay me to stand in front of a mirror and do my hair for 50 million hours like every single day. It's not gonna happen. Look how good it came out. All right, y'all, so here's the final look. I love it. Did not take me long to do. This is exactly what I was going for today. I like how it's kind of like that asymmetrical look we have going on. This is what I was going for right here, y'all. Just giving that effortless look for the summertime, something easy to throw on. I love how it's nothing sitting on my shoulders, on my neck. You can get this unit longer, but I have been digging, especially if y'all been following me on TikTok. Y'all know I've been loving short cuts lately. Like the shorter the better for me for some odd reason. This hair is full of volume, full of volumes, full of like waves and curls. It's very chic and very effortless too. All right, y'all are gonna run with me real fast to get Isaiah. and then just go relax on the rooftop just a bit so that y'all can see this hair kind of out and about in the wild. Okay, let's go. Y'all, I'm showing you guys 2 different days, just the FYI. This is just me right after I made this video, obviously, to go pick up my son. And look how good it freaking looks. Like, I look like the mom that's put together and has everything, like, under control. I absolutely do not. But you would never know it because my makeup is done, my hair is done. It didn't take me all day long. Isaiah, I want to school. How was school? Good. Okay, we're going. I missed you today. I was like, where's my Zay? I do miss you every day. You're my best friend. Y'all, do not forget to check the description box. I'll have the exact link to what I'm wearing and more details down there. Let me know in the comments how you like this hair. If you like it, love it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you in my next one.